Here is how you can remove green or blue background using CapCut. Go to Video, Remove BG, and Enable Chroma key. Then make sure you have color picker selected. Hover over the background and select it. Now selection is done, we still have to refine it, and to refine we adjust these sliders. I personally like to start from the bottom. I start with cleanup edge, then feather edge. I skip the shadow part and I go to intensity. And you're done. It is simple as that. All you have to do now is scale down your video, place the pet or any other object whatever you want, and adjust the colors to match the scene. And to remove a green or blue background in Filmora, we go to Video, AI Matting, and Enable Chroma key. We select a color picker here and click on a color you want to remove. And here you go, we're almost done. All we have to do is just refine the edges and start with tolerance, perhaps a bit of pedestal, adjust the feather and thickness. And as simple as that. All you have to do now, scale your footage, place whatever you want, and adjust the colors to match the background.